Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Key to Learn English. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hey friends, I'm Ryan. Nice to see you again. How are you doing, Sarah?
I'm good, Ryan. I went shopping last weekend, and it was so much fun. I bought some new shoes. What about you?
That sounds nice. I did a little shopping too. I went to the supermarket and bought some snacks and a big bottle of milk.
That's great. Friends, today we'll talk about shopping in English. How to talk when you buy things, ask for prices, or try clothes.
Yeah, we'll share stories, new words, and simple sentences you can use every day.
So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and practice with us.
All right, let's get started. Sarah, you went shopping last weekend, right? Tell us, how did you do it? Did you go to a mall or buy online?
I went to a big mall near my city. It was very bright and there were many stores. Clothes shops, shoe shops, and a perfume shop too. I spent almost 3 hours there.
Wow, that sounds nice. What did you buy first?
I bought a blue dress. I tried it in the fitting room. The mirror was big and the light was good so I could see clearly. The dress was on sale, 30% off.
That's a great deal. I love discounts. Did you pay by card?
Yes, I paid by card and got a small paper, my receipt. The cashier was very friendly and said, "Have a nice day."
That's always nice. When people are kind in shops, you want to go back again. Last week, I went grocery shopping. You know, buying food is something we all do. I had a list: rice, vegetables, eggs, and coffee.
A shopping list helps so much. You don't forget things.
True, but I forgot one thing: sugar. I got home and realized I had no sugar for my coffee. I laughed so much.
Oh no, I always do that too. Sometimes I buy things I don't need, like extra snacks.
Yes, shopping can be fun, but we need to be smart too.
Let's do a small role play.
Sounds good.
I'll be the shop assistant and you be the customer.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What color would you like?
I want a black one.
Here you go. You can try it in the fitting room.
Thanks. It fits well. How much is it?
It's $15.
That's good. I'll take it.
Perfect. This is a simple shopping conversation you can use every day.
Sarah, do you buy things online?
Yes, many times, especially clothes and gifts. It's easy and fast.
I like online shopping too, but sometimes I get the wrong size.
Oh, that happens to me. One time I ordered shoes, but the delivery was late.
Did you return them?
Yes, I sent them back and got a refund. The process was simple.
Nice. Buying online is convenient, but waiting for delivery can be stressful sometimes.
Right. In a real shop, you can touch things and try them immediately.
If you could go shopping anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Ooh, maybe Paris. I'd love to visit small fashion stores there.
That sounds wonderful. I would go to Tokyo. The electronic shops there look amazing. I'm a tech fan.
Yes, I know you love gadgets. Maybe one day we can do a shopping trip together.
That would be fun. Clothes for you, cameras for me.
You know, the weather also changes how we shop.
That's true. On rainy days, I prefer online shopping because I don't want to get wet.
Me too. But on sunny days, I like walking in an open market. The smell of food, the friendly people, it's nice.
Yes, the local markets are full of color and life. Sometimes I just go to look, even if I don't buy anything.
That's called window shopping.
Oh yes, I do that a lot.
Did you ever lose something while shopping?
Oh yes. One time, I lost my wallet in the supermarket.
Oh no! What did you do?
I went back after 10 minutes. Luckily, a kind person found it and gave it to the cashier. I was so happy.
That's amazing. There are good people everywhere.
Yes, and sometimes we face other problems, like no size, no stock, or long lines.
Exactly. I always choose early morning to shop because it's less crowded.
Smart idea. I'll try that too.
Let's do one more role play in a supermarket.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, do you need a basket or a trolley?
A basket, please. I only need a few things.
Great! Are you looking for something special?
Yes, where can I find the coffee?
Aisle 3, on the right side.
Thank you. Oh, and do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. That's a typical shopping talk, clear and polite.
After shopping, I always tell my friends what I bought.
Yes, sharing makes it fun. Like, look at my new shoes.
Yes, my friends love to give opinions. Sometimes they say, "It's cute," or "You should return it."
That's funny. My friend once asked me, "Why did you buy the same shirt again?"
Oh no, maybe you really liked that shirt.
Yes, I did. Comfort matters more than new style sometimes.
Now, friends, let's review some shopping words. Repeat after us.
All right. Word number 1, shop. A place where you can buy things. Example, I went to the shop to buy milk.
Word 2, cashier. The person at the counter who takes your money. Example, the cashier gave me my change.
Word 3, receipt. A paper that shows what you paid for. Example, keep your receipt for a refund.
Word 4, sale. When things are cheaper for a short time. Example, the dress was 50% off during the sale.
Word 5, discount. A lower price. Example, this jacket has a 10% discount.
Word 6, fitting room. A small room where you try on clothes. Example, she tried the skirt in the fitting room.
Word 7, refund. Money you get back when you return something. Example, I got a refund for the broken item.
Word 8, exchange. To return one item and get another. Example, can I exchange this shirt for a bigger size?
Word 9, delivery. The time when your online order comes to your home. Example, the delivery arrived this morning.
Word 10, bargain. A great deal or cheap price. Example, these shoes were a great bargain.
Great work. Let's say them together slowly. Shop, cashier, receipt, sale, discount, fitting room, refund, exchange, delivery, bargain.
Well done. Repeat them again when you practice later.
Time to practice. We'll ask you some questions. Try to answer aloud.
Question 1. What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
Example answer. I usually buy clothes or snacks.
Question 2. Do you like shopping alone or with friends?
Example. I like shopping with friends because it's more fun.
Question 3. Do you prefer online or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping because it's easy and I can stay at home.
Question 4. Have you ever returned something you bought?
Yes, I returned a shirt because it was too small.
Question 5. What's your favorite thing to buy?
My favorite thing to buy is shoes.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I like shopping for clothes.
I bought a new bag.
How much is this?
It's on sale.
Great job. Keep practicing with us every day to feel more confident while shopping in English. So, today we talked all about shopping, how to buy things, ask questions, and talk about your experience.
You also learned 10 new words and practiced speaking with us.
Now tell us in the comments, what's your favorite thing to buy? Write one sentence in English.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next conversation practice.
Bye, friends!